I'm Joseph Thurbin. I am a product specialist and I currently shoot with a Canon 5D Mark III. My dream kit would be the Fujifilm GFX 50R with the 50mm lens on it. When I shoot film, I shoot medium format, and I've been waiting for a digital system, medium format, that's lightweight and portable enough for me to take out and do landscape photography with, because everything else has just been too big and bulky. But the smaller form factor of the mirrorless camera and the lightweight things means I can just bung it in a bag and, you know, go out hiking and it isn't going to impede me too much. I think the biggest influences, well, the ones that spring to mind anyway, would be Sebastião Salgado and Don McCullen, just because they're, at heart, they're adventurers at the end of the day, and the camera was just a way that they could sort of legitimise and get themselves there. I'm obsessed with shooting the village that I grew up in, so that's where I feel most comfortable shooting. And I tend to take the same pictures over and over again, but it never gets boring for me. So that's my go-to place. So the ideal place that I'd like to take my photography going forward would be to publish a zine or a book in the next year and a half. With the home project that I'm shooting at the moment in mind, I'd quite like to get that out to a wider audience.